Hi, I am Mohan Atreya, VP of Products and Solutions at Rafay Systems. In this video, I will showcase how you can use Rafay to provision and manage the lifecycle of an Amazon EKS cluster with an Amazon Graviton2 based node group. AWS launched Graviton in the 2019 timeframe. AWS Graviton2 based processors use 64-bit Arm cores and custom silicon designed by AWS. It is built using advanced 7 nanometer manufacturing technology. With Graviton 2, users can expect up to 40% in performance savings. Let us now look at a demo of this in action. As you can see from the declarative cluster spec, we will start by provisioning an Amazon EKS cluster based on Kubernetes 1.20. The first node group, a la data plane, is a regular x86 based managed node group. We will use Rafay's CLI to consume the declarative spec and provision the EKS cluster. This process will take a few minutes. As you can see from the worker node metadata, the worker node is based on a regular T3.x large instance as we had specified in the cluster spec. Now let us add a AWS Graviton2 based node group to this EKS cluster. We are going to add this to our existing cluster spec. We are going to use m6g.medium instance type for this node group. Let us use Rafay's CLI to apply the updated cluster spec. The Rafay controller will automatically determine the changes and ensure that the cluster is updated to reflect the new cluster spec. In a few minutes, the new Graviton2 based node group will be added to our EKS cluster. As you can see here, we have a new node group based on the m6g.medium instance type as we had specified in the spec. Let us now explore the worker node based on the Graviton2 based instance. Next, we will configure and deploy a workload to our newly provisioned Graviton based node group. As you can see from the Kubernetes YAML for the workload, let us now deploy this to our newly provisioned EKS cluster. Let us now use the integrated Kubernetes dashboard in the Rafay console to view the resources for our workload. As you can see from the container logs and from the exec to our container, the image is clearly an ARM64 based image. Thank you for watching.